Want to know one of the big problems I see when developing a sales team? It's that it's not tiered. Now, what do I mean by this? I'm a senior salesperson. Should I be cold calling people or getting in at that very initial stage? No, I shouldn't. I should be out meeting people, and that should come from marketing or a junior coordinator booking me those meetings. Now, you might think I'm being a prima donna here, but I've done it. I've set it up within a team. I've worked within a team like that, and we generated so much more business because my focus was on going out there, doing those meetings and closing those deals. That does not mean that I'm above anyone else or they're below me, but those coordinators and those junior salespeople, they know what they need to do. They know that I'm good at closing those deals, and they know that they're gonna earn some commission because I'm out there doing it and I'm not wasting my time cold calling people. So I really want you to look at how your team is structured. You might think I'm being a little bit over dramatic here, but you've got salespeople at the moment that are being wasted by being on the phone, bashing the phones. I know we all need to look busy at the moment, but you need to be working smarter here. So how can you break this up? There might be some people who are looking to let go at the moment, and that will be a massive shame because they may make some good coordinators and people that are going to book meetings. So don't just get rid of them, understand how they can help within the business. Now, what happens here as well is that if you've got 10 salespeople and are all on the same level, how can anyone move above unless they're going to go to management? And also, if you've got someone coming in from the beginning, they have to work their way up, so they're earning their keep. I've seen it with businesses before. Somebody's come in as a senior salesperson, they haven't even got the skills, and they think they have a divine right to do whatever they want. So please look at the structure of your business, look at the structure of your team, see where potentially you might be looking to get rid of people. Maybe they can now become coordinators, book meetings for those salespeople who are going to go out, close business, generate money for the business, for themselves, and for those people you might let go because you're going to pay them commission for every meeting that's booked and closed. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. This is a process and a structure that's been tried and tested. If you want to know more, I'm happy to speak about you with it because I've implemented this within businesses before. Now, if you think this is of value to people, please like and share. I'm trying to spread as much value as possible. But that's it for today. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you tomorrow.